I'm Melanie Kossan. I am CEO of Mtn Mama LLC. We manufacture and retail CBD products to humans and pets. Today we're going to talk about the endocannabinoid system. What is the endocannabinoid system? Well, you probably have heard of, say, the skeletal system, the circulatory system, the nervous system. There's all those 5 systems, and then there is also a cannabinoid system. We haven't learned a lot about the cannabinoid system because it was only recently discovered by an Israeli doctor in Israel, in Jerusalem. He had at university in Jerusalem. He discovered that we have this system that basically regulates all of the other systems to create what's called homeostasis. Homeostasis is where all of the systems are working together in harmony and normally. Homeostasis helps us to be more healthy, helps us to be more calm, it helps us to be able to be more productive in our lives, whether we're working or playing or parenting or whatever we're doing. So the endocannabinoid system is made up of many cannabinoid receptors. The receptors are in our skin, our gut, our brain, nervous system, all over the place. There's millions of them all over our bodies. And so this week we are going to learn about the endocannabinoid system and cannabinoids and how the endocannabinoid system works with cannabinoids to help us to feel better. If you want to see which products that we are manufacturing with cannabinoids, you can go to my website, www.stillwaterhemp.com. That's stillwaterhemp.com. And you can use the code SAB for 15% off. Just put your code SAB in the coupon code box at the checkout and you can get 15% off. And I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.
While we may use medical terms or describe symptoms in these discussions, we make absolutely no medical claims regarding CBD. While there have been many studies by universities and medical departments across the country and around the world, the efficacy of these products has not been confirmed by FDA-approved research. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. These products should not be used if you are pregnant or nursing.